So multi-level aggregations means, so these are the multi-level aggregation operators, we can say that. And the first one is roll up. Roll up means creates hierarchical subtotals that roll up from the most detailed level to grand total. Okay. So we will check with examples, then only we can understand. So here, select from employee and DBT number, job, sum of salary as sum sal. Or we can say that total salary, and count of star total count, and group by roll up. See, first of all, DPT number, comma, job. See, for this concept, it is better to go to DB viewer so that we can see multiple data sets at a time. So, see this. So here I can able to display department wise and job wise total salary and total count. Okay. And see this definition, roll up creates hierarchical subtotals that rolls up from the most detailed level to the grand total. Okay. So if you put this group by expression in roll up, then see, we can have department wise, job wise subtotals and department wise subtotals. So if I execute these 3 at a time, here, if you use order by class, then department number and job, you can clearly observe the difference. See, for this is second data set, means roll up operator. Okay. So first, see this here, and here also better to use order by class. For getting department wise, job wise data, okay, if you use roll up operator, then after that I can get that total sum salary value and total count value. Okay. And after that, after 20 department also, I can get total salary for 20th department and total count. After 30 also, I can get total salary along with total count. Okay. So for this, you can write to eliminate these null values. You can write some case kind of expression like so I can use derived table, and here select department. So in department number and job, we can have null values. To eliminate that case, when department is null and job is null, then if both are nulls, then that is nothing but grand total. Okay. Grand total. And when department number is null, then I can say that NA. Else, I'm going to display department, and here some conversion problem will come, so that I am converting department number into text. Why? Because grand total and NA both are text, but department number belongs to integer. Okay. So this and as DPT number. Okay. And so same kind of case statement I need to write for job also, because job is also having null values. Case I can write subtotal, and here no and total only. When job is null, then write subtotal else job. And this is job, comma, total salary, total count. And here from class should be there. Now we'll check. See, after displaying department wise and job wise salary, and here subtotal will come, and after 20 subtotal will come, and at last grand total will come. Okay, so this is roll up. So calculating hierarchical subtotals. Okay, subtotals plus grand total. And cube means it will create all possible combinations of the grouping columns. So you can have, while executing cube, we are getting 18 records, and roll up we are getting 13 records. Okay, so what will be the difference means, see, up to this all are same. Okay. And here it will calculate job wise count only. Okay. Job wise total salary, job wise total count. Okay. So that is the difference. Cube means all possible combinations of the grouping columns. Okay. And roll up means it will create hierarchical subtotals. That means department wise, job wise subtotals. But here cube means all possible combinations. Okay. So here, these are the extra records we can get. Okay. After calculating, that means roll up plus other calculations. That is cube. Okay. So up to 13, we can, that logic belongs to roll up only. Okay. After that, what will be the remaining combination calculations that will be generated by cube? Okay. And next one is grouping sets. Grouping sets. Create multiple groupings within the same query. Okay. So I will take this example. So group by grouping sets. See, if I keep this department number only in group by, see what will job must appear in the group by class. Okay. That means this job should be required here. See. So department wise total salary and job wise total salary. Okay. Generally, these grouping sets will be used like different types of combinations. Whatever the combination you want, you can put that combination in these grouping sets. Okay. So suppose if you use this department number and job in these grouping sets, then that column should be appear in select class. Okay. And suppose if I put this department number only in grouping sets, then here remove this job. See, I can get department wise total salary and count. Okay. And if you use job wise, I can get sum of salary count according to the job. If you use department and job combination, then that both columns should appear in select class. See, department wise, job wise. Okay. And I cannot get this department wise, job wise, total salary. I mean, subtotals kind of thing. I can't able to get it. Okay. And see, execute it. See, department number must be appear. So this empty brackets will not be alone. Okay. If you use any kind of combination, then only it will be allowed. For example, if I use this department number and job, after that, this empty brackets will have, then see that department wise, job wise, total salary and count, and at the last, I can able to get total salary and total count. That means this empty brackets that will give the total salary and count at the end of the row. Okay. So like that. For example, you can check. Okay. Suppose if you take all combinations, then I can get the department wise, job wise, sum total salary and total sum also. Okay. So this is just like cube operator. Okay. So this is cube 18 records from group by sets, 18 records from cube. Okay. So this is about roll up, cube and grouping sets. Okay. So create multiple groupings within the same query. So multiple grouping in a sense, this is one group, this is another group, this is another group. Okay.